In this tutorial, we are going to see how to see your ratings as a passenger. So let's start by opening Uber app. Click on Uber, let it load, and after it gets load, here you can see the whole section where you can find book or get a safe place. So what we need to do is we need to head to the account section, which is located here at the right bottom corner. So just click on it. So when you click on it, you'll see this interface of the profile. From here, you just need to scroll down and click on settings option. After this settings option will appear and the data of yours will appear. Here you need to, if you need to check your ratings or you need to understand how rating works, you need to click on privacy. After clicking on privacy, here you can see several other options like location, emergency, data sharing, gender identity. Here you just need to click on privacy center, take control of your privacy and learn how we protect it. Okay, now let this page load. It may take time according to your internet's data speed, but after opening, here you can see, would you like to see a summary of how you use Uber? What can drivers say about riders? Here are a lot of information that you can find if you want to. So click on see summary. After seeing summary, scroll down and here you can see browse your data, trips, Uber rates, ratings. Now this is where you can understand how rating works and what is the issue. Your rating data includes information about ratings you have received as a rider from drivers. So basically Uber rates you on how good you were as a rider. Did you panic the rider or anything else? So click on view my ratings. Then here you can see your rating data includes it's the same information. So from here you just need to go back, click all the way back, and after coming back here, now this is the rating section you can see, and here my rating is 5. Just open it and you can understand and read how this works: short wait times, courtesy, safety. Okay, this was on how you can search your rating and understand how it works. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.